So Tom Brady has come out the winner of the Deflategate ruling. Judge Berman saying, quote, Brady was denied the opportunity to examine and challenge materials that may have led to his suspension. So said the judge. Joining us now for their reaction to today's decision, Brian Kilmeade, co-host of Fox and Friends, guy who knows a little bit about sports, business law attorney Seth Berenzweig, and Dan Kaplan of the Sports Business Journal. Brian, you and I have already talked about this in the hallways and in your office, which is much bigger than mine, by the way.
It's the whole floor.
All right.
I have the whole floor.
So you have to excuse me if I'm a little hostile to you in the beginning.
It's as usual.
But I disagree with you fundamentally. I think Goodell has gone as far as he should go. Next Thursday is the game, for goodness sakes, in which we're hoping to see Tom Brady play. All fans, by the way, I'm a Jets fan. I'm not a Patriots fan, so I'm not biased here. Goodell himself is in trouble. You saw that nutbag up in Boston calling for his murder. Let's just put an end to this and get on with the season. Why don't you think that?
Because it's a bigger story than that. It's really not about Tom Brady or the Patriots. It's about a CBA that was negotiated, and there may be some litigious things that went wrong, as Adam outlined. But here's my problem with it. You agreed to allow him to preside over discipline. That's what they agreed on. In turn, the players got things. We don't even care about the play-by-play. In the end, we just want to see the game. So now, what kind of credence does the league have? Let's say a guy gets caught in a DUI, another domestic violence situation. Goodell comes in, says 4 games. No, I think I'm going to challenge that in court. I've had a lot of success. And you know what? You have had a lot of success against the league. Where's the discipline? Where's the outline? Why did you agree to allow him to take control? And then why is Brady bringing this into court?
Dan, it might be a moot issue anyway, the so-called appeal, because nothing in the court system moves fast. Next Thursday, 1 week from today, is the Pittsburgh game. So there's not going to be an appeal before that, right?
Well, they did actually formally file the appeal today, or notice of appeal, but they're not expediting the appeal. They're not going to file to do that. They're not seeking an injunction. They're not seeking a stay. They're essentially saying Brady can play the whole season because the appeals process, as your reporter said, takes 9 months to a year. So we may be sitting here in a year talking about Tom Brady being suspended if the Second Circuit
could be next season.
It could be. And in fact, I think there's a
well. Let's go to the attorney, Seth. What do you think about the Is there any way that there could be some halt to the game before it happens, or some halt to Tom Brady playing in the game next Thursday before it happens by this appeal process?
Oh, no, he's free and clear for months. And the reason why the NFL didn't seek a stay on appeal is because the chance of them getting that would be between slim and none, and Slim already left town. So that wouldn't even have been close. I think that to see how huge of a come-from-behind victory for Brady this case is, it's important to go back to the beginning. When this case started about a month ago, the NFL got 2 things that it wanted that were huge. It got the court that it wanted because, remember, it selected and cherry-picked the New York federal court, and it yanked the NFL Players Association out of Minnesota. And then the second thing that it got was the legal standard, which is a hugely deferential standard of review because it asked merely for confirmation of an award. So they started up way ahead, and they still got blown out of the water.
Very quick from Brian. We don't have much time. Is Brady's win Goodell's loss, and could it lead to Goodell having to step down as commissioner?
I don't know that because the owners will decide. Bob Kraft backed out, I thought, the right way. Real quick, I think everybody loses. Goodell doesn't look as strong, and the people that
this isn't his first loss, by the way, in court.
Right,
for
that's
these
true.
things.
And the people that think the Patriots have special rules and are always bending those rules will have something else to go by. There's a lot of players in this league who think the Patriots
10 seconds. Could Goodell be fired over this?
No, I think the owners are behind him. Biggest winner today, NFLPA, the Players Union.
I'm going to argue with everybody. The biggest winner today are the fans. We all want to see a good game. We know it's going to be a better game with Tom Brady in it, right? Wouldn't even you admit that? With Tom Brady in it, it's going to be a better game. Just the game.
You shouldn't take air out of a ball. You shouldn't manipulate it.
I wanted to see Jimmy Garoppolo.
But the game is going to be a better game, and the fans count most. Thank you, gentlemen. I still think he's got too big an office, Brian Kilmeade.
It's the whole floor with a pool.
All right. We're going to let you have it because you came here. Not exactly on time, but you came here.